Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Performance Cordless Jigsaw 20 volt, the model PSSPA 20 Li C3. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included. Device compatible with all batteries in the X20 volt team series. Without battery, without charger, recommended the 20 volt 4Ah smart battery. Up to 30% faster work progress, up to 20% longer running time, up to 10% longer motor life. Compare it to the Parkside Cordless Jigsaw, the model PSTDA 20 Li B3. I remember I have made a video and for this jigsaw, this is the performance. Let's check on the specs. Number of strokes 800 to 3800 SPM, 7 steps. Stroke length 26 mm. Pendulum stroke levels 1 to 3 and fine cut setting 0. Cutting angle right 22.5 degrees and left 45 degrees. Max cutting depth 135 mm in wood, 20 mm in non-ferrous metal and 10 mm steel soft. Included accessories we're gonna find out together. Brushless motor, that's why it is the performance power tool. Especially durable, powerful with low wear and tear. Ready to connect, so lock. With 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty? Only Parkside. This is amazing. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this power tool, test it and see how we can use it. I like the case. Black, red, Parkside Performance. Okay, inside of course we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this tool. Parkside speed wood 2 and flexible metal. Nothing else of a case. Now at the tool we have soft grip here at the top, at the front. Grey with black, Parkside brushless performance, 3-stage adjustable pendulum stroke, 0 it is for metal, first for plastic, second for thin wood, and third for thicker wood. Lock and lock button, on off switch, and obviously you need a battery. Now, you can use the 2Ah battery, I don't recommend that, you will not have the power you need. But you can use the 4Ah battery, that is not a smart battery. For me, I will use the 8Ah battery, it is the smart battery. I have made a video and for this battery you can check down below the description or after the end of this video. Now press the unlock button, it's flashing the indicator. Otherwise it will not work, on off button doesn't work. Then let's install here one blade saw. Here it is the plastic guard. Here we need to pull this lever to install one of these blades. Pull that and then you can install and it locks, so easy. Plastic guard for safety. And then just press the lock and lock button, press once on off, first speed, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, and automatic adjustment. And off. Wow, instant response. It turns off. I like that. The adapter for external dust extraction with a reducer for your vacuum. Here we have the line guide adapter, this plastic. And of course, if you want, you can remove this. Why to do that? Well, you can adjust the angle left and right 22.5 and 45 degrees. Just pull this lever pull that at the front, and then here we can see we have the numbers, adjusting left and right, let's say 22.5, pull back and lock. Now you can adjust the angle 22.5 degrees. Same if you want, pull again, 45 degrees. And the same for the other side. It is your choice. Now I will start on 0 degrees. We have the blower function for the dust, off and on. At the base we have this plastic plate, 4 screws if you want to remove that. You can remove and the dust extraction if you want. LED working light. Nice. And off. There is a guide roller at the front for the saw blade. And here of course you can install and this parallel guide adjusted with these 2 screws where you want to cut the wood. It stays very secure and you can remove that. Overall I can say it feels very well manufactured. It looks great and I'm sure it will perform great. Well, let's move on and test it, see how it works. Now I have different type of woods. I will start with speed 4. Decreasing on 3. And now I have just removed this plastic at the bottom, adjust it on 22.5 degrees angle. And on a thicker wood, it is about 40 mm, the other wood was 20 mm. Automatic adjustment. Like a butter, so fast, I like it. Amazing. Wow! Clear cut at any material, if that is a wood, soft metal or plastic, for a professional use or for DIY projects. I like this power tool, it's performing very well, it is a performance power tool. So it costs 70 euros without the battery and the charger.
If you don't have battery and charger from Parkside, you need to give about 33 euros for the 4 ampere hours, not smart battery, or 70 euros for the 8 ampere hours, and another 15 euros for the charger. Well, do the math and in the end you can see how much it costs. If you need that kind of power tool, for me thumbs up, just buy it and do your job. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.